Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to quickly connect Android project to the Firebase using just simple two commands. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you are new here, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's get started. So first I am going to an Android Studio. Now here I will go ahead and create new Flutter project. So as you can see, I am selecting a new Flutter project from the option. For the project name, I am here typing like Firebase underscore demo underscore project. You can use any name for the project. So this is just an example for this tutorial. Now I will click next and I will keep all default setting. So after that I will be click on finish to create the Flutter project. So now let's also wait for a few minutes. As you can see, Android Studio is setting up the project in the background. Once the setup is complete, the default Flutter project files will be loaded automatically. So now I will open an Android emulator to run this project. So if you are your emulator is not running, so you can just open your AVD manager and start any available virtual device. So in my case, I have already selected an emulator, so I will just run the application. So depending on your system configurations, it may take around 30 to 35 40 seconds to build the application and launch like on your emulator. So after that you can see here in my screen the application is now installing on an Android emulator. So here like the Flutter application is successfully running on the emulator. So this means the basic Flutter project setup is working properly. So now let's us move to on the next step, which is the connecting this Flutter application to the Firebase project. Now I will open Google Chrome and search for the Firebase in the search box. So here you will see first result. So I will open this first result, which is the official website. So in this website you will see in the right top corner go to console so option. So you can just click this option to open the Firebase console page. So in the Firebase console page, you will see your previous Firebase project if you have created. So here I will be like create new project. Okay. So I am entering the same name that I used for a Flutter project, which is a Firebase demo project. So you can use any name as you can prefer. So once I have entered the name, I will click on continue. So in the next few steps, Firebase may ask if you want enable Google Analytics for your project. You can either enable or keep it disabled for your choice. Okay. For this example, I will keep the default setting and just click continue again. Now Firebase will begin creating the project. This process usually take about 1 minute depending on your internet connection and system speed. So once the setup is complete, you will see continue button. Click on that and you will be taken directly to your Firebase dashboard. So now our Firebase project is ready. In the next step, we will connect our Firebase application to this Firebase project using few simple commands. Before we run any Firebase related commands, it is very important to make sure that the Firebase CLI is installed on your system. If the Firebase CLI is not installed on your system, so don't worry, I have already created a separate video on that. Please go and watch. I will attach the link in the description box. So once the Firebase CLI is properly installed on your system, so we can move forward. So here I will simply copy the command provided by Firebase. You can see the command here on the screen, and now I will open the command prompt and paste it directly. This command installs the Flutter Fire CLI globally using Dart. It may take a few seconds, and once the installation is complete, we will be ready to run next command. Now I will copy the second command from the Firebase and run it same. So this command will be connect our current Flutter project to the specified Firebase project. So here you can see the project ID. So using this ID, the Flutter project will be like connect to the Firebase, which we are created earlier. After running the command, it will ask which platform you want to configure. I will just select Android since we are working on Android Flutter application. So the configuration process will now start. It will register the application on Firebase, fetch the necessary settings, and generate a file called Google services.json inside your project folders. So this file is very important because it contains all Firebase configurations details for the Android application. Flutter and Firebase use this file to communicate with each other. Once the process is complete, your like Flutter project will be fully connected with Firebase successfully. Now here, as you can see, Firebase configuration files, lib/Firebase options .dart is created successfully. So that means our Flutter application will be connected successfully with the Firebase. So after that, bottom side you can see Firebase application IDs also. So this is a complete process of the connecting application to the Firebase. So after that, you will just click next and click to the continue to the console. So you can refresh this tab. So in the top, you can see 4 apps connected with your Firebase project. So here you can see Firebase demo project for Android, iOS, web, and Windows. So that means our application is successfully connected with the Firebase. That's all for today's video. I hope it was helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Until next time, keep learning, keep coding.